Hi, my name is Victoria Mercy Premila and I'm a resident of United States of America, and I wanted to come here for a vacation for 2 months. So during that period I wanted to utilize my time in an effective way. So I wanted to ask my sister to inquire about the skin care regimen, and she inquired and she gave me a name, Naturals Poonamallee Training Academy. And so as soon as I came here, I just came and visited here, and they gave me an introduction of what the course is, contents of the course, and I was impressed by it, and I came to join the basic training of skin. So I recommend everybody for the Naturals Training Academy in Poonamallee, because the staff is very good, and my staff is Sister Jeevitha, and I should say that she's an excellent teacher, and she's a great asset to this Natural Training Academy at Poonamallee. And she gives me every detail. She conducts a theory class, and from the basic of what the skin type is, and how to know what are the layers of the skin, like dermis, epidermis and hypodermis, and then know what are the layers inside the dermis. She taught me very well. So the basic skincare was, I would recommend everybody to take the course in the basic skincare. And the best part is that she gives us theory in a very effective way, where everybody can understand in a simple way, and then she draws the diagram and then explains, and both theory and the practical section is very awesome. And I'm a very slow learner, but she made me also learn very much in an easier way. So I would recommend Natural Training Academy to anybody here, especially in the Poonamallee branch.